Hi, this is Randy Hilgers. Just wanted to give you a quick tip. I'm working on a video project here, and I got all these videos, and I just can't figure out, how long they are and stuff like that. So you can kind of see down here on the bottom, if a video is selected, it'll say, the name of the video, what kind of video it is, and it says length here. And the length is 5 minutes and 15 seconds long. You can also find that by right mouse button clicking on it, going to properties, going to details, and this tells you a little bit more information about your file. And what you can do is you can actually turn on all of this stuff in your directory listings on Windows 7. Probably works on Vista and XP. Might work on all of the different versions of Windows, but if you see it listed here, you can usually get it to display in a directory listing. So we look here and it says length, and then I can come up here and I can just right mouse button click. Let me go a little bit to the end there. Let me resize this a little bit. Click over here on the end, we'll right mouse button click. And here are some of the things I can turn on. But if I click the more button and I look for the same word, length. So it thinks the length is the time. Originally I thought, oh, maybe it's duration, but that didn't work, and then I found out it calls it length. So we're going to look for length here. All of the different things we can do for the directory listing. Again, a lot of these aren't turned on. We look for length, click it, choose OK, and sure enough, now all of my video lengths are added to my directory listing. And again, we've talked about it before, you can reorder this any way that you want, resize them, delete columns that you're not interested in, right mouse button click and just unchecking the columns that you're not interested in. But I really always go and sort by time. What did I do last? It was up at 1:45 a.m. and I made this video last. Anyways, thanks a lot.